Hi friends, we are ready for Fundations, Unit 7, Week 1, Day 1. All right, today we are going to learn some new glued sounds. So far, the glued sounds that we've learned is am, an, and all. And today we're going to learn 4 new glued sounds, okay? Our first glued sound that we're going to learn is ang. Can you say that with me? Ang. A-N-G. Fang. Ang. Say it with me again. A-N-G. Fang. Ang. That's our first one. Our second one that we're going to learn is ing. I-N-G. Ring. Ing. Say it with me. I-N-G. Ring. Ing. Our third one that we're going to learn is ong. O-N-G, song, ong. And I like to sing it to help me remember. So I like to go O-N-G, song, ong. It just helps it stick in my brain a little bit better. All right, sing it with me. O-N-G, song, ong. Good job. All right, and our last one is U-N-G, lung, ung. All right, say it with me. U-N-G, lung, ung. All right, we're going to go back to the beginning, and we're going to review them, and then we're going to review some sounds that we've already learned. All right, here we go. Say it with me. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. All right, now these ones are reviews, so you should know these ones. Let's do these together. A-N, fan, an. A-M, ham, am. A-L-L, ball, all. W-H, whistle, w. C-H, chin, ch. S-H, ship, sh. All right, those are finished. The next thing that we are going to talk about is we're going to review our trick words. All right, are you ready? Here we go. The, a, and, is. Make sure you're saying them with me out loud. His, of, as, has, to, into, we, he, she, be, me, for, or, you, your, I, they, was, one, said, from, have, do, does, were, are, who, what, when, where, there, here, by, my, to, very, to, come, would, could, should, her, see, look, new, good, little, want, out, now, and down. If you didn't know a lot of those words, I want you to back up the video and say those with me one more time. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to review some standard sound cards, and these ones don't have the picture, so it makes it a little bit trickier. Here we go. And we're just going to say the sound for these. All, ch, an, sh, am, w, th, a, e, I, a, k, v, qu, g, ang, ing, ong, ung. Great job. All right. All right, we're going to be talking about our glued sounds really quick, right? Ang, ing, ong, and ung. Okay? They have 3 letters, right, that have individual sounds, but the sounds are so closely glued together, and therefore they're difficult to separate. That means they're hard to separate. So it's a glued sound, and when we do glued sounds, they have 3 letters. So we're going to tap 3 fingers. So for ang, it would be 3 fingers, ing, 3 fingers, ong, 3 fingers, ung, 3 fingers. So we're going to practice tapping a few words here. All right, so get your tiger paws out, and here we go. Ready? Sang, sang. Let's tap that again. Ang. Remember, ang gets 3 fingers. Sang. Now, you already know how to mark up a glued sound. How do we mark up a glued sound? That's right. We put a box around our glued sound, ang. All right, let's do another one. Let's do this one. Arms up. Here we go. Ready? Ing, sing. Let's tap it again. Ing, sing. Remember, ing gets 3 fingers because it has 3 sounds and 3 letters put together that are glued together. Sing. All right, let's do another one. Here we go. Ready? Ong, song. Ong gets 3 fingers as well. Ong. All right, and our last one. Let's tap this one. Here we go. Ung, sung. All right, ung gets 3 fingers as well for that tap. Now, let's go ahead and mark up all of these words. Sang, ang gets a box around it because it's a glued sound. We talked about that. What about ing, sing? What do I need to do to mark up this word? That's right. I need to put a box around ing because why? It's a glued sound. That's right. All right, let's look at our next word. Let's tap it. Song, song. I need to put a box around ong because it's a glued sound. All right, and our last one. Ung, sung. I need to put a box around ung because it's a glued sound. Very good. All right. Now we're going to tap out some words that I've already built, and then we're going to mark them up. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Get those hands out. Ready to go. Here we go. Our first one. Ang. hang. What do I need to do to mark up this word? That's right. I need to put a box around ang because it's a glued sound. All right, let's do another one. Ready? Ing, ring. What do I need to do to mark up this word? That's right. I need to put a box around ing because it's a glued sound. All right, let's tap the next one. Ong, long. I need to put a box around what? Ong, because it's a glued sound. All right, here's a hard one. Do you remember what TH says? Ing, thing. Now I have a couple things that I'm going to mark up. I'm going to underline TH because it's a what? Digraph, that's right. And then there's one more thing I need to do. What is it? I need to put a box around ing because it's a glued sound, ing. All right, let's do our last one. Ang, fang. How do I mark up this word? I need to put a box around ang because it says ang. Great job. Now we're going to do some practice ones, and I'm going to have you write. So I want you to get something to write with and on. It could be a whiteboard and a marker. It could be a piece of paper and a marker, or a pencil or a crayon. I want you to get something to write with and something to write on. All right, here we go. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to write the sound that says ing. Write the sound that says ing. If you need to pause the video, and then push play when you're ready to check. ING spells ing. If you got it right, give your brain a kiss. If not, that's okay. We're just learning these. These are new, so we'll keep practicing. All right, let's do another one, okay? Your sound is ang. Ang. Write how you would spell the sound ang. If you need to push pause, and when you have it wrote, you can unpause it. Here is ang. A-N-G. Ang. All right, let's do another one. Our next sound is ung. 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 Write how you would spell ung. Push pause if you need to, and then play when you're ready. U-N-G spells ung. Great job. All right, we have one more that we're going to do today. Our word, or our sound, is ong. Ong. Write how to spell the sound ong. Push pause and then push play when you're ready to check. That's right. O-N-G spells ong. Great job. We'll see you tomorrow.